Hello, good people. My name is Mailula Babalom, and today I just want to talk about something, good people. I just want to talk about good men. Okay. Um, you know, there are so many girls who just had got an opportunity just to be with a great man or with a good man. Let me say. But the only problem with this kind of girls is that, you know, whenever when we talk about a good man, we just talk about a man who is willing to be with you. This person is loyal to you, not because he's desperate or he doesn't have any other options. There are options, but the person chooses to be with you. A good man can be someone who just respect you and make sure that you are respected. Okay, they are loyal for you to you, and they care about you, and they do things for you. They are being generous. They have good intentions about you, but you cannot believe how many girls or how many women end up being tricked out of good relationships. Because when they have a good man, most of them, of these girls, of these women, they 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 get tricked out of such relationships because they believe that if I can get this kind of a man, it means I can even get more. There's more out there, you know. And later on, they end up realizing that actually that's not the case. Yes, you find that maybe the same girl or the same lady is being pursued by so many guys. Guys are just flocking into their inboxes for them. But one thing that they fail to just realize is that are they doing that out, out of a good heart, or because we have so many men out there that just want to experience it, they just want to taste everything that is good. When they see there's meat there and it is enticing to them, they just want to do anything just to get the taste of it, so some girls or some women, they end up believing that if they such thing is happening to them, therefore it means that those guys, they do love them, and now they start to just mistreat the person who's been there for them, who's been the greatest to them. They start to make them feel as if they are no longer important to them, or they are no longer needed, because uh, she's the hot chick. She can get any man, anytime, anywhere. How is it going for some of them? How is it going? Because one thing you need to know is that for a guy to just be in your life, please, Skelankwela Togo, please don't take this otherwise. For a guy to just choose to be with you, it is quite a challenging process, because nowadays, remember, there is just a list of requirements which we as guys, we have to have in order to be in a lady's life. We have to provide, we have to love, we have to cherish, we have to buy things for them, you have to build, we have to protect, we have to take them out to dates, um, also give them a good you also have to an endless list of requirements. Yes, so most guys now, they end up even losing interest in love or in relationship, Some of them, they even just choose to just be on their own. They rather just chase the bag, you know. I can't believe how many guys or some of the people I hang out with who actually are more into the bag. They are chasing the bag. They follow their dream. They'll tell you that, oh, I'd rather chase the bag than to chase girls. Why? Because they've seen that whenever you invite a girl into your life, you're going to lose money. You're going to, some of them, they will stress you. They'll even come with a lot of baggages, their own problems. They will complain to you. Some, they'll even try to change you. Some of them, there are many things which you have to sacrifice as a guy. And then, what is it? What is it that you are going to get as a guy? Maybe just 2 rounds, 3 rounds, or so. That's that. That's the only thing. While you have to provide all those things. And why am I saying that? Because most women, they want guys to be a traditional man, but not willing to be a traditional wife or a traditional girlfriend. They say, okay, a guy must do this and this and this, regardless of what is it that I am doing. That's a lady saying that. It doesn't matter what is it that I do or I bring on the table, or as long as he does what I need. That's a selfish mentality that our modern women tend to have. So, good people, and some of them, let me also talk about this thing. This girl is in a very great relationship. Okay, the man is there, is providing, is doing his level best to make sure that the woman is happy. Then the lady is with friends. The friends start to say, oh, we are happy. We don't have any stresses. When you are in a relationship, you are always you don't have to beg a man. You don't have to uh, to submit to a man. You don't have those kind of things. But most of them, they wish to have a man who they can actually submit to, or who they can actually, you know, share everything with them, who can provide for them, who can do things for them. But they are trying to trick you out of a good relationship, or out of a relationship with a good man. Remember, I'm talking about a good man, not just any man. Then, if you don't know, you get tricked out of that good relationship. While some of them, they are even dying to have a relationship like yours. You just have to be careful of which people are you surround yourself with, because those people who you are surround yourself with, you end up being like them. If they are single, if they are in miserable relationship, they are complaining about relationship, you'll also end up like them. There's no other way. That's how the universe works. Good people, don't be tricked out of good relationship because of people. You just have to see it while you still have it, because one day you might wake up and you no longer have such a relationship. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you. I really talk about relationship these days, but I was asked to talk about this. Enjoy your day or your night. Bye.